Hello friends, in chapter 3 matrices exercise 3.2, today we discuss question 4 onwards. So question 4 is given a equals to 1 to minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1, b is given 3 minus 1 2 4 to 5 2 0 3 and c equals to given 4 1 2 0 3 4 1 minus 2 3. And say that find a plus b, b minus c, a plus b minus c, a plus b minus c. So first we find out a plus b. Then matrix A plus matrix B. So matrix A is given 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1, and matrix B is given 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 and 2 0 3. Now their addition we want. So 1 plus 3, that is 4. 2 plus minus 1 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, 5 plus 4 9, 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus 2 3, minus 1 plus 0 minus 1, 1 plus 3 4. Now we want to find out b minus c. So b is given 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3, and C matrix is given 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. So 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 2 minus 2 0 4 minus 0 4 2 minus 3 minus 1 5 minus 2 3 2 minus 1 1 0 minus minus 2 2 3 minus 3 0. Now we want to verify left hand side, that is a plus b minus c. So a matrix we have 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1, and b minus c answer we got minus 1 minus 2 0 4 minus 1 3 and 1 2 0. We add them, then 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3, 5 plus 4 9, 0 plus minus 1 minus 1, 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 plus 2 1, 1 plus 0 1. Now right hand side we want to find then a plus b minus c. So a plus b we have 4 1 minus 1 9 2 7 and 3 minus 1 4, minus c with 4 1 2 0 3 2 and 1 minus 2 3. So we can see that 4 minus 4 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 9 minus 0 9 2 minus 3 minus 1 7 minus 2 5 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus minus plus 2, that is 1, and 4 minus 3 1. So we can say that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Now question 5 is given a 2 by 3 1 5 by 3 1 by 3 2 by 3 4 by 3 7 by 3 2 2 by 3, and b is given 2 by 5 3 by 5 1 1 by 5 2 by 5 4 by 5 7 by 5 6 by 5 2 by 5, and find 3a minus 5b. So 3a minus 5b. So 3 multiply matrix A, that is 2 by 3 1 5 by 3 1 by 3 2 by 3 4 by 3 7 by 3 2 2 by 3, minus 5 multiply matrix B, that is 2 by 5 3 by 5 1 1 by 5 2 by 5 4 by 5 7 by 5 6 by 5 2 by 5. So 3 multiply 2 by 3, then it will be 2, 3 1s are 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. 7, 3 to the 6 and 2 by 3 into 3 will be 2 minus 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. So we can see that both the matrices are equal, all the entries, and so minus will be 0 matrix, and so is equals to 4. Now question 6 is again we have to simplify cos theta into matrix cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into matrix sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. So let's say multiply cos theta inside, then we get cos into cos square theta, cos into sin cos theta sin theta, here minus cos theta sin theta, here cos square theta. Let me multiply sin theta inside, then sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta, here cos theta sin theta, and here sin square theta. So we add them, then we get cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos theta minus sin theta. So cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta will be 0. Again here same terms in plus minus, so 0. Here cos square plus sin square theta. So cos square plus sin square theta, then well-known identity is equal to 1. So 1 0 0 1, that is identity matrix into by 2. Question 7, first question is given that x plus y equals to 7025, x minus y equals to 3003, and bind x and y. So x plus y 7025 and x minus y 3003. So to eliminate this y variable we add them, and y variable will be eliminated, and 2x is equals to, we add them, then 7 plus 3 10, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 3 8. So here 2x equals to 10 0 2 8, and so x is equals to 1 by 2 of matrix 10 0 2 8, and so it will be 5 0 1 4. Now to find out another variable y matrix, so submit x value in x plus y equals to 7 0 2 5. We will get y equals to 7 0 2 5 minus x, that is 7 0 2 5 minus 5 0 1 4. So we minus them, then 7 minus 5 2, 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 1 1, and 5 minus 4 1. Question 7, second question is given that 2x plus 3y equals to 2 3 4 0, 3x plus 2y equals to 2 minus 2 minus 1 5. Then find x and y. So here y variable coefficient 3, here 2. So to make the equal coefficient of y, equation 1 multiplied by 2 and equation 2 multiplied by 3. Then 2 multiply 2x plus 3y equals to 2 3 4 0. Then we get 2 to the 4x plus 6y is equals to 4 6 8 0. Now equation 2 we multiply 3x plus 2y equals to 2 minus 2 minus 1 and 5. Then we get 9x plus 6y equals to 6 minus 6 minus 3 and 2. So we have y variable equal and place the plus sign. So to eliminate y, we subtract them. Then 6y cancel. 4 minus 9 minus 5x. Here 4 plus 6. So 4 minus 6 minus 2. 6 minus minus 6. So plus 12. 8 minus minus 3. 11. And 0 minus 15 minus 15. And so to get the x value, x is equals to minus 1 by 5, minus 2, 12, 11, minus 15. And so it will be minus 2 by 5, 12, minus 12 by 5, minus 11 by 5, and 3. Now to get the y value, submit x value in 2x plus 3y equals to 2340. Then we get 3y equals to 2340 minus 2x, that is 2340 minus 2 into minus 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 and 3. So it will be minus, then 2 minus minus plus, sorry, here minus minus plus, so plus 2 by 5. So here plus 2 by 5. So 2 minus 4 by 5. 3 minus minus plus, so 3 plus 12 by 5. So 12 is 24 by 5. 4 plus 22 by 5 and 0 plus 0 minus 6. So we will get 3y is equals to 5 to the 10 minus 4 minus 6 by 5. 5 to the 15 plus 24, 39 by 5. 20 plus 22, 42 by 5 and minus 6. So y is equals to divided by 3 and 6 divided 3, so minus 2 by 5. 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. Now we have question number 8. Y equals to 3214, 2x plus y equals to 1 minus 302, then find x. So here 2x plus y equals to 10 minus 32. And so 2x is equals to 1 minus 302 minus y, that is 10 minus 32 minus 3214. So we take the minus, then 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2. And so x is equals to 1 by 2 of minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 and minus 2. So we divide it and we get it minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Now we have question 2 into 103x, y1 0 to 5618, and find x and y. So 2 multiply inside, then it will be 2602x plus y012 equals to 5618. So we add them, then 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, 0, 6, 0 plus 1, 1, 2x plus 1 equals to 5618. Now two matrices are equal, so according to the equality of matrix, each element should be equal. So 2 plus y equals to 5 and 2x plus 1 equals to 8. Sorry, 2x plus 2 equals to 8. And so we simplify them. Then y equals to 5 minus 2, that is 3, and 2x equals to 8 minus 2, 6, so x is equals to 3. Now we have question 10, 2 into matrix x z y t plus 3 into matrix 1 minus 1 0 2 equals to 3 into matrix 3 5 4 6. Then find x, y, z and t. So here we simplify, then we get 2x, 2z, 2y, 2t plus 3 multiply inside and 3 minus 3, 0, 6. Again 3 multiply inside, 9, 15, 12 and 18. So we make the equation, then 2x plus 3 equals to 9. 2z minus 3 equals to 15, 2y equals to 12 and 2t plus 6 equals to 18. We simplify them, then 2x equals to 9 minus 3. So 2x is equals to 6, so x equals to 3. 2z equals to 15 plus 3. So 2z equals to 18, so z equals to 9. Y equals to 12 by 2, so 6. And 2t equals to 18 minus 6, so 2t equals to 12, so t equals to 6.